Ayan guys, samahan niyo ako na itour ko kayo dito sa may Hong Kong exhibit.
So, hindi ko alam kung ano ang nire-represent niya kasi hindi ko naman nababasa yung Chinese version niya. So, eto siya. So, ang sabi dito, the golden wheel monk is the more foremost strategist. Ayun, strategist. Oops, hindi ako marunong magbasa. Behind the Mongolian plot to the overthrow to the Song. The Song dynasty. His arrogant personality does not diminish. Hindi ako marunong magbasa guys. Ayan. So, Wan Yan Hong Li is a highly complex and a multiple-faced character. Ayan, so hindi ko nababasahin masyado mahaba. A Path to Glory. So, isa siyang exhibit dito sa Hong Kong kung isa sa tradisyon dito sa may China. So, pinapakita dito sa may Hong Kong. So, part naman kasi siya ng Hong Kong talaga. Part naman talaga ng China ang Hong Kong. Ayan. A man of heavy build with a unassuming appearance. Ayan, si Pan Yao. Ayan siya guys. Ayan. Yango path of growth is a one step in a uprightness and chivalrous integrity. Mahaba siya guys. Ayan, firm, fair, and selfless in character. Si Xiaolong Nu has an unyielding pride in her heart that is far from the arrogance. So mahaba siya guys, kaya nang bahalang mintindi sa akin. Ayun yung makikita nyo. May Shaolin Moon. Abbess Medu's inner world is complex and intricate as evident from her Buddhist epithet. Meju. Yan, mahaba siya guys. So, bahala na kayo guys. So, pinakita ko lang yung isang exhibit dito sa Hong Kong. The essence of this technique lies in the dual focus intelligent and wise individual possess intricate true, though often getting absorbed in one matter before another arise. For instance, during the Three Kingdoms era. Ayan, haba na siya guys. Talaga yung tradisyon ng simula sa China. Ayan. So, hindi na ako magbabasa guys. Ayan, si So Botong represents a unique expression of the spirit of the martial warrior chivalry. He is loved by fans of Jin Yong novels for his candid character, childlike naughtiness, and innocent heart. His philosophy of life consists of not being confined, whatever, to worldly trifles, and always maintaining a pure heart, passionate about martial arts. Ayan, mahaba siya guys. Ayan naman yung flower blossom. Lumalabas yan pagka winter time, ang flower blossom. Sinasabi rito, a man of pure character, Hoopy, had an open, frank, and honest. Ayan, mahaba siya. Mahaba siya. Hirap pasahin. So, dito tayo sa loob.